So I decided to use some of the Rhino Strong Air Shim lift tools to remove this stubborn windowsill that I had to take out. Some termite damage that you can see right there. So I placed each of the air wedges across the middle, left and right, just so I could raise it equally on each side without bending or cracking it. I inflated one at a time equally on each side just so I could level each one and raise it up. Again, I didn't want to cause any damage to the window or the sill, so I could lift them all equally and uniformly. And the wedge was great doing this, so I could pump them at an equal level of distribution. It was a little bit stubborn because there were some nails that were stuck inside, but the air wedge was great, even forcing it up to overcome the resistance from the nails. Finally got it out.